Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate Team. We're at 766 Munson Crescent. This 5-bedroom bungalow is situated in a great area, close to shopping, schools, and a short drive to the 401. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the very spacious living and dining room combination, open to the extra large kitchen with a lot of cabinet space. The primary bedroom has a 3-piece ensuite. The main level has an additional 2 bedrooms, a 4-piece bath, and main level laundry. The lower level has a full kitchen, with dining area, a rec room, two additional bedrooms, and a 4-piece bath. A great feature is the private backyard with patio.